Welcome back to Boostfad Academy Computer Tutorial Series. This is tutorial number 14. In this tutorial, I'll be discussing about Microsoft Word environment. So let's get started. So like I said, how do we open a program? So this is the logo for Microsoft Word. We can open it either by double clicking on the logo or by right clicking on it where it brings option. They will click on open. Either of the way we can open a Microsoft Word like that. So this is Microsoft Word environment. We need to understand the environment before we can do anything on the computer system. When you open a Microsoft Word, the first thing you see, you can see this red at the top. That top is what we call the title bar. That is where the name of the document appear. Like this one, if we look at it, we have document 5, Microsoft Word. So which means the name of this document is document 5 because I've not saved it. If I save the document, the name will be changed to whatever name I used to save the document. That's the reason why if they ask you what is the name of that document you open, that is where you are going to look at. You look at the title bar, that is where the name of the document appear. So after the title bar, the next bar under it is what we call the menu bar, where we have file, we have home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view. That bar is what we call the menu bar. That is where the menus on what can be done on the work on the computer system, the menu that you use to control your screen environment or to format your text, that is where it is. Why the next bar, you call it what? The standard or tool bar, which means where we have the paste, or this side where we have, you can see this one, Calibri, BIU, they are all called what? The tool bar. So this tool is determined by the menu bar. It's like having different boxes for different tools. So if you open the first box, you bring out the tools inside this. That's exactly how the toolbar work alongside with the menu bar. Like this one now, which means the menu open, home menu is open, and these are the things that we have under the home menu. If I click on insert, we will realize that everything that we have under the toolbar will change because it will display every information, everything that everything that we have under all the commands that we have under the insert bar. Let me click on it. You can see it changed to what? Cover page, blank page, page break, table, picture, clip art, shape, smart, and the rest. So which means these are the things that we have under the insert menu. If I click on the page layout, everything under the toolbar will change as well. So I'll click on the page layout. You can see we now have themes, you have color, font, and effect. We have margin, orientation, size, column, and the rest. If I click on reference, everything under the toolbar will change. In short, is that the toolbar work along with the menu bar. It displayed all the commands that we have under each of these bar. So we are in this tutorial, we are going to take each of these bar one after the other and apply all the commands that we have under them. Before I move on, don't forget to subscribe to this channel by hitting on the subscribe button below, like the video, and also share it with others for them to benefit as well. So we have the title bar, like I said, we have the menu bar, we have the toolbar. The next thing is the ruler. You can see the ruler at the top. You can see the ruler. This is the ruler. So for a Microsoft Word environment, we only have ruler at the top and at the left side. We use this ruler to control the margin. While the last one is what we call the status bar. You can see this bar at the bottom where we have page 1 of 1. Status, it gives us information about the work we are doing. Like this one now, 1 of 1, it means this Microsoft Word that I open I only have one page, so it only has one page. I'm on the first page. Let me press enter and continue to be moving to next, and created many pages. You can see I'm creating pages. I don't know the number of the pages. If I remove my hand on the enter button, it stops. But what do you see there? You can see 11 of 11, which means I've already opened 11 pages under this document. And the cursor, you can see the cursor blinking. It means I'm on page 11. If I move my cursor up, you can see I'm moving it. So what page am I now? Let me do it. So you can see we have 7 of 11, which means I'm on page 7. Let me move to the first page. So which means I'm using the arrow key, that is the up arrow key, to move the cursor up. So I'm on the first page already. So you can see we have page 1 of 11. So status bar will show you the number of the pages. The same thing happens, the number of the words that we have in a document. That's the reason why if they ask you to do something not more than 500 words, some people will be wondering, how are they going to know if it is more than 500 or not? Immediately they bring it to Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word will show the number of words that you have here. You can see word 0. So let me type some word like computer is an electronic machine, and let's see what will happen. So how many words do we have in this short definition? Computer 1 is 2 and 3, electronic 4, machine 5. You can see words 5, which means the status bar will show the number of the words that we have in a document. So that is all about the Microsoft Word environment. We have the title bar, so which is the topmost bar where the name of the document will appear. We have the menu bar, which contains the menus on the various options that may be performed on the work we are doing on the Microsoft Word. We have the toolbar that shows the tools that we have, that shows the command that we have under each of the menu. We have the ruler at the top and at the left side to control the margin of our document. While finally we have the status bar, which provide information about the work we are doing, that is the number of the pages of document we've opened, or the number of the page we are working on, and the number of words contained in the document. That is all about Microsoft Word environment. So in the next video, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video and share it with others. In the next video, I will be discussing about how to open and close a program, how to save and save as. What is the difference between save and save as? We have to understand all this one. So that is what I will be discussing in my next video. Once again, don't forget to like the video and share it with others. Hit the subscribe button now to also to help the channel to grow as well. So thank you very much. Meet you in the next video.